Imagine waking up to the sound of rain tapping on a high-pitched roof, warm breeze drifting through floor-to-ceiling louvered windows, and your morning coffee enjoyed on a wraparound veranda that overlooks lush green canopy. No hotel, no resort. This is your home. And in 2026, building a luxury tropical home is not just possible, it is one of the smartest lifestyle and investment decisions you can make. But here's the truth nobody tells you up front. It can also go very wrong if you do not know what you are doing. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain on luxury tropical home design. We are talking real designs, real materials, real costs, and what it actually takes to build one of these stunning structures from the ground up. Whether you are building in the Caribbean, Southeast Asia, West Africa, Central America, or the Pacific Islands, this video is your complete honest guide. Before we dive in, if you are serious about building your dream tropical home, drop a comment below with your location and budget. And do not skip ahead because toward the end of this video I am going to share details about a builder who actually specializes in these luxury tropical structures and can bring your vision to life. Hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and let us get into it. What makes a home truly tropical in design? A luxury tropical home is not just a regular house painted in bright colors and surrounded by palm trees. True tropical design is a philosophy. It is about working with the environment, not against it. The architecture is deliberate. High ceilings allow hot air to rise and escape. Overhanging eaves and deep verandas protect walls and interiors from tropical sun and heavy rainfall. Open floor plans encourage cross-ventilation, so the home breathes naturally. And elevated foundations in many designs protect against flooding and allow airflow underneath the structure. In 2026, luxury tropical architecture has evolved into something remarkable. We are seeing a strong fusion of biophilic design, which means intentionally connecting living spaces with nature and smart home technology. So your home does not just look like it belongs in the tropics, it functions intelligently within that environment. The most sought-after luxury tropical home styles right now include the Bali-inspired villa, the Caribbean plantation-style estate, the modernist jungle retreat, the Afro-tropical fusion home, and the Pacific pavilion design. Each of these has distinct characteristics, but they all share common principles: natural materials, indoor-outdoor living, thermal comfort, and a profound sense of place. The design details that define luxury. Let us talk about what separates a standard tropical home from a truly luxury tropical home, because the gap is significant. Roofing is one of the first things you notice. Luxury tropical homes often feature steeply pitched roofs, sometimes double-pitched or multi-tiered, with overhangs that extend anywhere from 3 to 6 feet beyond the wall line. These roofs are typically clad in clay tiles, zinc, natural thatch, or in modern builds, standing seam metal roofing and dark matte finishes. The steeper pitch is not just aesthetic, it is functional, shedding heavy rainfall efficiently. Flooring in a luxury tropical home tends to use local natural stone, wide plank hardwood, or large format porcelain tiles that are cool underfoot. Outdoor and indoor flooring often transitions seamlessly, blurring the boundary between inside and outside. This visual flow is a signature of high-end tropical design. Windows and openings are generous and intentional. Louvered timber shutters, bifold glass panels, and disappearing sliding door walls are all popular in 2026. The goal is to fully open the home to the outdoors on beautiful days and seal it efficiently during storms. Premium impact-rated glazing is now standard in luxury builds across hurricane zones. Kitchens in luxury tropical homes often feature an indoor-outdoor cooking setup. You might have a main chef kitchen inside with stone countertops and integrated appliances, opening through large pivot doors to an outdoor kitchen with a grill, sink, and dining pavilion. Entertaining is woven into the architecture. Pools are almost non-negotiable at the luxury level. Infinity edge pools that appear to drop off into the landscape, plunge pools on elevated decks, and naturalistic freshwater lagoon pools are all trending in 2026. The pool is not an addition, it is a centerpiece. Bathrooms in luxury tropical homes are often semi-open. Rain showers open to private garden courtyards. Soaking tubs positioned near open jalousie windows. Natural stone and teak wood used generously. The spa aesthetic is built into the architecture itself. Real cost breakdown in 2026. Now let us have the honest conversation about money, because this is where many people get misled. Building a luxury tropical home in 2026 will generally fall into three pricing tiers depending on your location, materials, design complexity, and the team you hire. The entry-level luxury tier, which means you are getting superior design and quality finishes but keeping the footprint manageable, typically runs between $180 and $320 per square foot. A home in this tier at around 3,000 square feet would cost between $540,000 and $960,000 to build, not including land. The mid-range luxury tier, where you have more complex architecture, custom millwork, premium imported materials, smart home systems, and a larger footprint, runs between $350 and $550 per square foot. A 4,500 square foot home at this level would cost between $1.5 million and $2.5 million. The ultra-luxury tier, which includes fully bespoke design, imported stone and timber, resort-grade systems, large infinity pools, full landscaping, and a dedicated site team, can run from $600 per square foot and well beyond. Signature ultra-luxury tropical homes regularly come in between $3 million and $10 million for the full build. Now here is something important that most people underestimate. In tropical regions, especially on islands and in developing markets, you need to factor in additional costs that can add 15 to 30% on top of your base construction figure. These include shipping and importation of specialty materials, site access challenges especially on hillside or coastal plots, concrete and structural reinforcement for hurricane and seismic zones, water catchment and cistern systems, solar and generator backup power systems, landscaping and site development, and project management and professional fees. So if your base construction quote is $1.2 million, budget at least $1.5 to $1.6 million before the build is complete. That is not pessimism. That is reality, and the builders who will tell you that upfront are the ones worth working with. Materials that define tropical luxury in 2026. Material selection in 2026 is deeply influenced by sustainability and climate resilience. The old approach of importing everything from abroad is giving way to a more thoughtful blend of local and premium imported materials. Timber remains the soul of tropical architecture. Species like teak, iroko, ipe, mahogany, and bamboo composites are widely used for decking, cladding, louvers, and structural elements. Properly treated and sealed, these timbers age beautifully in tropical climates and develop a silver-gray patina that many homeowners consider even more beautiful than the raw wood. Stone, particularly local volcanic stone, limestone, and coral stone where it is ethically sourced, is used extensively for feature walls, flooring, and outdoor pathways. Imported Italian marble and quartzite appear in premium interior applications. Concrete is the structural backbone of most modern luxury tropical builds. Reinforced concrete block construction with proper waterproofing and thermal insulation is the dominant method in the Caribbean and Pacific. In Southeast Asia, engineered timber frames with concrete cores are common. In West Africa, compressed earth blocks combined with reinforced concrete frames are gaining traction in the luxury segment. Thatch roofing, often dismissed as rustic, is experiencing a luxury revival in 2026. Engineered synthetic thatch that mimics the look of natural palm thatch but carries a 25-year warranty, resists fire, and withstands Category 4 wind speeds is now used on some of the most expensive homes and resorts in the world. The builder question, and why it matters more than anything else. Here is where I want to spend some real time, because your builder will make or break your project. Period. Luxury tropical construction is a specialty. It requires builders who understand moisture management, salt air corrosion, hurricane engineering, tropical hardwood properties, and the logistical challenges of building in remote or island locations. A general contractor from a temperate climate who has never built in the tropics will cost you more in mistakes than they save you in fees. One firm that has earned serious respect in the luxury tropical construction space is Tropical Luxury Builds, a design-build company that operates across the Caribbean, Central America, and select Pacific markets. What sets them apart is their integrated approach. They bring the architect, structural engineer, interior designer, and site crew under one roof, meaning you have a single point of accountability from concept to completion. They specialize in homes starting at $800,000 through the multimillion-dollar range, with full project management including material sourcing, customs clearance, and post-construction maintenance programs. Their portfolio includes hillside jungle retreats in Costa Rica, beachfront villas in Barbados and St. Lucia, and modernist estate homes in Bali and the Maldives. If you are serious about building, reaching out to a firm like this early in your process, before you buy land or commission a design, can save you enormous time and money. Their consultation process helps you understand what your vision will actually cost in your chosen location before you are financially committed. A quick note: always vet your builder thoroughly. Ask for references from completed projects, not renderings. Visit completed builds if possible. Understand your contract structure, whether that is a fixed-price contract, a cost-plus arrangement, or design-build package. And never pay more than 10 to 15% upfront before mobilization begins. Trends shaping luxury tropical homes in 2026. Before we wrap up, let us talk about what is genuinely new and exciting in this space right now. Net zero tropical homes are no longer a niche. In 2026, solar arrays, rainwater harvesting systems, greywater recycling, and passive cooling design are being integrated from day one in luxury tropical builds, not as afterthoughts but as core architectural features. Homeowners are finding that a well-designed net-zero tropical home can eliminate utility costs almost entirely in sun-rich climates. Wellness architecture is a major driver. Dedicated meditation pavilions, outdoor yoga decks, cold plunge pools alongside hot soaking tubs, and home spa rooms with steam and sauna facilities are now standard requests at the luxury level. The home has become a full wellness retreat. Multi-generational and rental-ready design is growing fast. Luxury homeowners are building primary residences with detached guest cottages, staff quarters, and self-contained apartments that can be rented on platforms like Airbnb or managed through luxury villa rental programs. This turns the home into both a lifestyle asset and an income-producing property. Smart home integration is now seamless. In 2026, whole home automation systems control lighting, climate, security, pool systems, irrigation, and entertainment through a single interface, often voice-activated and accessible remotely. The best systems are now designed to function offline, critical in regions with unreliable internet connectivity. Building a luxury tropical home in 2026 is one of the most rewarding things you can do, financially, personally, and creatively. But it demands honest planning, a realistic budget, the right team, and a clear understanding of what you are building and where. If you take away 3 things from this video, let them be this. First, design for the climate, not against it, and your home will reward you with comfort and durability for decades. Second, budget honestly and add a contingency of at least 20%, because surprises in tropical construction are not rare, they are routine. Third, your builder is your most important decision, more important than your design, more important than your materials. Choose someone who has done this before, done it well, and can prove it. If this video gave you value, share it with someone who is planning to build. Drop your questions in the comments below. I read every single one. And if you want to see a follow-up video on specific countries and their building permit processes, land costs, and construction timelines, let me know below and I will make it happen. Thank you for watching all the way to the end. That means everything. I will see you in the next one.